Westermans here with a AMI 415 with pendant control. This machine has been fitted with the M15 weld head. We'll do a function test. The package is actually also with the M81 with screens and camera system. Quick function weld test. Oscillator travelling, ABC moving, wires already been previously tested with wire. This machine is sold along with the M81 head with vision system. More machines available from stock. AMI 415, AMI 227, 207, and obviously various other machines from the AMI or ESAB range. Machines are sold fully serviced and well tested before dispatch. More details can be seen on westermans.com or email welding@Westermans for a full range of orbital equipment. Say, more details can be found on Westermans. Thank you for looking. Westermans here again with a carry on from the M15 head, now using the M81 head. This head has actually got the screens, so the vision system. Still running from the 415. Customer requested the M15 and the M81 head. Function test again. Wire running into this one is based on a 50mm pipe or 50mm tube. Westermans have got various other orbital equipment in stock, AMI, swage lock, polysued, to name just a few. All can be serviced to order and supplied in quick time. More details can be found on westermans.com or emailing Westermans welding@Westermans.com. This machine will now go off to packing and be created ready for export. Shipping's done worldwide if required, or customers can arrange their own collection. Thank you for looking. Cables, M81 head, more cables, M15, 12-inch ring, guide wheels, cables again, 415 power source, and vision system, cameras. All this will now be sent off to packing.